Foodie Chef Pete from Barbeque Kitchen, and bang, bang, boom! I've cut up a whole chicken, and we're gonna make air fryer barbecued chicken today. And I'm gonna show you the easy way to do this. Basically, 375 in your air fryer for about a half hour. Halfway through, you'll flip them and you'll put your favorite barbecue sauce on them and cook them the rest of the way. A half hour, 375, air fryer. Halfway through, flip them over, put your favorite barbecue sauce, and finish them out for the last 15 minutes. And make sure they're cooked. Just check for doneness. You might have to leave some of the thicker pieces a little bit longer and take the breast meats out if they're already cooked. Okay, so what we're going to do, here is our bing, bang, boom cut up chicken today. Because I did a bing, bang, boom and I cut him up earlier. So what we're going to do is start by giving a good tablespoon of paprika in here. And we're going to mix all these up before we get them on our air fry pan. But I'm going to get a good tablespoon of paprika in here, just like that.
Ooh, just right on there.
Right on it. And we're going to mix this all up, right? Okay. And then I want some onion powder. I want some onion powder, about a good teaspoon of onion powder. So we'll get a good teaspoon of onion powder in here. Because remember, we're going to air fry them and then flip them, and we want some taste on here, right? Okay, so there's a teaspoon of onion powder. And then what we're going to do is get at least a teaspoon of salt on there, just like this. Because don't forget, your whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like is going to do the same thing, have salt in it, right? Okay. And then about a half teaspoon of pepper. And if you like cayenne pepper and any of that, by all means, give it a kick. I'm putting regular pepper, okay? All right, and then what we're going to do is hold our sauce back for when we're halfway through and we flip the pieces over, okay? But first what we're going to do is we're going to get these mixed up really well here, and I think I'm just going to use my hands, and then we're going to go right onto our air fry pan. So I think what we'll do is just get these mixed up real good in here, just like that, with all of our spices and seasonings and colors and everything good.
Smells good, actually.
Yeah, and then what we're going to do, since my hands are dirty already, we're just going to get them right on our air fry pan over here, just like this. And this is a thigh, and there we go, okay? Let me see, maybe I can get some of what's left here right there. Okay, now let me get this out of the way, and then Anthony will show you how that looks on the pan while I'm just lifting my fingers off so they don't turn red here from the paprika. Okay. All right, foodies. So we're going to put this in the air fry oven, 375, once again, 15 minutes. Pull them out, turn them over, put your favorite barbecue sauce, either make your own or your bottled kind, whatever you like. Flip them over, get the barbecue sauce on them, and then back in for about another 15 minutes, and they will be finished and cooked and delicious. But make sure some of the bony pieces are cooked good before you pull them out. You might want to take the breasts and set them aside and then finish off your bony pieces. Okay, so there we have it. This is Pete at Barbeque Kitchen doing his bing, bang, boom with the chicken today. Air fried barbecue chicken. So watch the shorts as we show you how this comes out and we gobble it up. Pete out.